Hello, my name is Mini Sethi. Today I'm going to discuss about what is law of attraction and how does it work. Law of attraction is most powerful law of universe. Law of attraction is most powerful law of universe. And what is mean of law of attraction? Law of attraction says that similar energy attract similar energy. Law of attraction says that similar energy attract similar energy. Means if you think positive, positive event will happen in your life. If you think positive, positive event will happen in your life. On the other hand, if you think negative, negative event will happen in your life. But how can it possible? Energy within us. Okay, I will tell you how does it work. How can it possible? Energy within us. Okay, energy within us and energy in universe. Energy within us and energy in universe both are same. Energy within us and energy in universe both are same. When these energy are aligned, when these energies are aligned, this is law of attraction. Then law of attraction happen. Energy within us and energy in universe, when these energy aligned, then law of attraction happened. But how these energy aligned? I will give you example. Okay, these are person. Okay, suppose his name is Amit. Okay, these are person, his name is Amit. He is thinking positive about his self. He is thinking positive about his self. He thinking that I am very confident, I am very powerful, I am very capable, I am improving day by day. He is thinking positive about his self. Okay, when he thinking positive about his self, his frequency of vibration is high. When he thinking positive, when he thinking positive, his frequency of vibration is high. His frequency of vibration is high. He's sending frequency to universe. When he thinking positive, his frequency of vibration is high. He is sending these frequency to universe, and universe is sending these frequency back to him. Okay, he is sending when he feeling positive. He is feeling high. His frequency of vibration is very high. He is sending this vibration to universe, and universe sending same kind of vibration, same kind of frequency to him. As a result, positive event will happen in his life. More and more positive event will happen in his life. In this event, he feel very confident. He feel very powerful. He will very skillful. Okay, on the other hand, if you feel negative, on the other hand, if he feel negative about himself, I don't have a confidence, I don't have a capacity. Okay, he's feeling negative about himself. When he feeling negative about himself, his frequency of vibration is very low. When he feeling negative about himself, his frequency of vibration is very low. He is sending these frequency to universe. He is sending this low frequency to universe, and a universe sending back this low frequency to him. As a result, negative event will happen in his life. He will face many events. In this event, he will lose his confidence. He feel that he don't have so much capacity because he is thinking negative. That is power of law of attraction. If you seriously follow this act, follow this law, you can transform your life completely. So as a result, we must always think positive so that you can attract more positive event in your life. Okay, I think you can understand. Thank you.